Good day, everyone. Hope you're all doing well out there. I've got this VEVOR brand pipe cutter here for a review, and I just kind of wanted to show you how this thing works. If you order one of these, it comes in the box like this. It's kind of to keep that shut there, just that little latch in the back. Now to use it, squeeze it together a little bit and pop that out, and it opens up. Now you stick your pipe in there. It has kind of a ratchet effect on it. Okay, now you've cut your pipe. Now to release it, just push out on that handle. Now you're ready for the next one. Now to change the blades on this, it comes with an extra blade, extra cutting blade here. That's easily changed just by loosening this here, popping it out. Pop the old blade out and put that new one in. Okay, I've got some hose here. It's got a fitting on that end, so I'm going to leave that end. I'm just going to trim up this end a little bit. A little demo here. Let's cut it off right about there. Oh, no problem. Do one more. That's fun. That works awesome. Little effort. I barely have to squeeze on that. That's got some great, yeah. Barely have to squeeze on that. That's awesome. Almost effortless. You don't even feel it. Hey, this is an awesome tool. If you're looking for a pipe cutter, get this VEVOR one right here. Thanks for watching, everybody.